But you're so foolish. You were so foolish walking into the pit, thinking that I was just going to sit back and take your crap one more time, man. What do you think you are? You ain't nothing special to me, man. You're a piece of flesh. When I step into the ring, I look at that man across the ring from me. I say, well, now, that's my dinner. That's my meal. That's my meal ticket, you see. But what I've been living on just don't fill me up, Hulk Hogan. So I got to have a little bit more. I got to...
friends, you know that I would die. Put holes in both of my hands like I am Jesus Christ. Maria, Maria, I'm rolling out like a cheer. I'm gonna bob it and pull it, twist, make it spin like a seal. I'm gonna swing on the lights, I'm gonna die tonight. I'm gonna die with a smile, I hope I did it right. I'm gonna hate and I'll love and I'll fucking spit on my grave. It's Jake the Snake, it's still the same. You're gonna know. And every pore on my face, I'm gonna pour out a 40 for every moment I fade. I'm losing time, I just watch it. I feel like I cannot stop it. I miss my friends, but I'm calling. I feel like I'm always talking. Shut up, you're so fucking loud. Shut up, you're just a brat. Fuck what you think, because Snaky Jakey's still getting fat. I'm making all you a promise. If this shit sucks when it's dropping, I'll drive my car off a bridge and choke on my own fucking